Hi, friends! Today, let's learn 50 useful English sentences that you can use in daily life. These are simple, short, and easy to remember. Ready? Let's begin. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Sam. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Nice to meet you. See you later. Take care. Can I help you? Yes, please. No, thank you. I need some water. I'm feeling tired. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. I'm going to work. What do you do? I'm a student. Do you speak English? A little bit. Please speak slowly. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Where is the bathroom? Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. It's near the bank. I'm hungry. Let's eat something. I like this food. Can I have the bill, please? Thank you very much. I love this movie. It's very interesting. I'm busy right now. Call me later. Let's meet tomorrow. I'm going shopping. How much is this? It's too expensive. Do you have a discount? I'll take it. I'm feeling happy. That's a good idea. Let's do it. Don't worry, everything will be okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these phrases help you start speaking English in your daily life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next video. Tell me in the comments, which phrase was your favorite, or try using one in a sentence. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident. You're doing great.